All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 long wheelbase, mid-roof with, oh man, I forgot the mileage. 19,000 miles on this vehicle. White with gray vinyl interior. Power windows, power door. It's got backup camera, super nice. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread. It is at 10-30 seconds. This door looks good. Does have a little dinghy there. Rest of it, another dent over here, about 3 to 4 inches. That is about it. I see a couple of dings here. No paint off on them, but they are there. I see a dent here, about 5 inches. And that pretty much is it. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire thread here is over 730 seconds, over 930 seconds to be exact. You got power windows, power door locks. You got your power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. You jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with the 1-key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM stereo system here. You got your AC controls right down below. It's got your backup camera here. Boom, what that looks like. As you can see, no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 19,858. All right, that pretty much completes the tour for in here. Rear bumper, got a couple of dents. Got a dent over here, about 3 to 4 inches. I have a reflector for here. I'm gonna actually change that reflector. All right, here, this rear bump, your rear door has a dent right here, about 3 inches. Actually, dent right there. All right, by the emblem. And a dent up here, about 3 to 4 inches. All right. This door does swing out all the way. Likewise with this one. All right, rear trunks, your rear cargo area, what that looks like, very nice. Your wheel well moldings, wheel housings look good on both sides. Yeah, I don't see any problems. Check out this door. Looks good. And check out the other one. Very nice. Let me get my ladder so we can go up here. Let's take a look at the roof. Of course, your camera is up here now on these 18s, and this is what your roof looks like. Looks pretty good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here. Looks good. Keep it moving. This quarter here looks pretty good. Does have a crease dent, 3-6. Another 2 little things right next to it. And here's your rear passenger side steel wheel and your tire thread. It is at 9:30 seconds. Got a dent here, 3-6. Another one here about 3, and next to it about 2 to 3 inches. Just lock the door here on accident. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. The floors look pretty good. It's got some scratches on there, but that's typical. On this here, we are missing the covering for this, but the tools for it are right there. And your owner's manual is right there as well. This is the other side of the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good, a little chippy there. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is at 8:30 seconds. Lights are working, car is running. Folks, once again, the 2018 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 19,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.